Number 1. Become a virtual assistant. If you're looking for a flexible way to make money online, then becoming a virtual assistant might be your perfect solution. Virtual assistants are in high demand because they can do everything from managing social media pages and replying emails while working on behalf of businesses all over the world. You'll make around $19 per hour, which isn't bad considering how many hours there usually are in 1 week, sometimes up 44. And this doesn't even take into account any other side hustles that could springboard off something as simple as building an audience or creating content. Number 2. Create a Patreon. With over 4 million creators and almost 200,000 monthly active users, Patreon is the world's leading membership platform for artists. Subscribers can subscribe to your project by paying a one-time fee or through an ongoing subscription, which gives them access at all times throughout that month, and even if it's not their turn. You don't have to take anything personally though, we've got rewards tailored just right. So you'll be able to keep those most loyal fans happy. It doesn't matter whether this would work on other sites either. Our team has created custom templates specifically designed around what works best when promoting oneself online via social media channels like Facebook and Instagram. Number 3. Join an affiliate program. Join an affiliate program today and start promoting products, services or brands on different platforms while earning commission by recommending what others buy. The more sales you generate for these companies, the higher your payout will be. A lot of people think that affiliate marketing is all about blogging. But this couldn't be farther from truth, as there are now thousands upon thousands if not millions out there who have made serious bang, thanks to being accepted into various programs such as Amazon Associates program, where they offer high rates even after distance selling restrictions go away. So why don't we take advantage?